Hey there, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you some of my favorite tips and tricks for mastering the art of eyeliner application like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or looking to up your eyeliner game, this video is for you. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Choose the right eyeliner for you. The first step to achieving that flawless eyeliner look is selecting the right product. Whether you prefer a pencil, gel, or liquid eyeliner, it's essential to choose one that works best for your skill level and desired outcome. Experiment with different formulas and applicators to find what suits you best. Tip number 2. Prep your eyelids. Before applying eyeliner, ensure your eyelids are clean and free from any oils or creams. This will help the eyeliner adhere better and prevent smudging throughout the day. You can also use a primer or setting powder to create a smooth canvas for your eyeliner application. Tip number 3. Start with small strokes. When applying eyeliner, it's best to start with small strokes and build up the intensity gradually. This will help you achieve a more precise and controlled application, especially if you're working with liquid or gel eyeliner. Take your time and don't rush the process. Tip number 4. Use tape for perfect winged liner. If you struggle with creating the perfect winged eyeliner, don't worry, you're not alone. A simple trick is to use a piece of tape as a guide. Place the tape at an angle from the outer corner of your eye towards the end of your eyebrow, then apply your eyeliner along the edge of the tape for a flawless wing every time. Tip number 5. Practice makes perfect. Remember, mastering the art of eyeliner takes practice, patience, and a whole lot of trial and error. Don't be discouraged if your first attempts don't turn out exactly as planned. Embrace the process and keep practicing. With time and dedication, you'll soon become a pro at applying eyeliner like a boss. Tip number 6. Experiment with different styles. Don't be afraid to experiment with different eyeliner styles to find what suits your eye shape and personal preferences. Whether you prefer a classic winged liner, a bold cat eye, or a subtle tight line, there are endless possibilities to explore. Have fun playing around with different techniques and styles until you find your signature look. Tip number 7. Tight line for a fuller lash effect. For a more defined and voluminous lash line, consider tight lining your eyes. This technique involves applying eyeliner to the upper waterline to fill in any gaps between your lashes, giving the illusion of thicker, fuller lashes without the need for mascara. It's a great way to add extra definition to your eyes and make them appear more awake and bright. Tip number 8. Correct mistakes with concealer. If you make any mistakes while applying eyeliner, don't panic. Simply dip a small concealer brush into some concealer and use it to clean up any smudges or uneven lines. This will help sharpen the edges and give you a clean, polished finish. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged by a few mishaps along the way. Tip number 9. Set your eyeliner with powder. To prevent your eyeliner from smudging or fading throughout the day, consider setting it with a matching eyeshadow powder. Using a small angled brush, gently press the powder over the eyeliner to lock it in place and increase its longevity. This simple step can make a big difference in the wear time of your eyeliner. Tip number 10. Clean and sharpen your tools regularly. Last but not least, don't forget to clean and sharpen your eyeliner pencils and brushes regularly to maintain their performance and hygiene. Dirty or dull tools can lead to uneven application and increase the risk of eye infections. Invest in a good quality pencil sharpener and brush cleaner to keep your tools in top condition. And there you have it, beauties. I hope you found these additional tips helpful for perfecting your eyeliner application skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and refining your techniques until you achieve the perfect wing every time. Until next time, take care and stay fabulous.